what's your experience using our herbal shampoos and serums so far, and which do you think has been the most effective for you?
Oh yeah, sure. I've been using these products for close to 2 years now. My favorites are the Neem Care Scalp Shampoo, the Neem Leaf Serum and the Citrus Serum. When I was first pregnant, I was losing a lot of hair and I was spending quite a bit on different hair products, but nothing seemed to work. So I was really frustrated and panicking as well. But since I started using these products, I've noticed that the hair loss has actually stopped. And it's perfect for long hair like mine because it doesn't feel dry and frizzy, and instead it feels quite soft and smooth, and I don't have to use a separate conditioner for the split ends as well. I use the neem leaf serum. It's very effective for my white and grey hair. It actually turns the grey strands back to its original color, and ever since using the serum, I've noticed my hair has grown thicker, and that's quite cool because I've actually seen a serum which can actually grow hair. The citrus serum, I use it when I've got a headache or migraine and I really like the smell. My husband and my kids, they like the smaller bottle shampoo because of the breezy, cooling sensation that it has.